Hi everyone! Welcome back to Cute Thing Corner. In today's tutorial, we're going to learn how to draw Cinnamoroll step by step. Grab your pen and let's start drawing together. Please note, Cinnamoroll is a copyrighted character owned by Sanrio. This drawing is just a fan art tutorial. Firstly, we draw a big oval for the head. Then you add one long floppy ear on the left and on the right. After that, you draw a round body under the head. In step 4, you add 2 small hands on the sides. And we draw 2 tiny feet. Then we draw a swirl tail and add face guidelines. In step 7, you clean up the lines and draw cute eyes and a tiny smile. Then erase the face guidelines. Finally, you add soft colors to finish. Use light blue and blush pink for a cute look. Thanks so much for watching this tutorial. If you enjoyed it, please like, share, and subscribe to Cute Thing Corner for more kawaii drawings. Don't forget to share your finished drawing on Instagram stories and tag us. We'd love to see your art. Remember, it's all just for fun, so relax and enjoy the process. See you in the next tutorial.